So we've been in Santa Rosalia for a week now or so. We were here over Halloween.
No. He's been waiting for so long, he's turned into bones. He's just turned into bones and waiting. And waiting.
Sure. That's why I was happy that
There's something on the butt of my pants. I think it's like non-skid.
But I think that's more like a marketing thing.
Won't slip when I hit the ground.
Yeah, smart man.
Cinco de Mayo has become a thing.
Right.
And that doesn't make any sense.
Here we go.
Get him! Get him! Yeah! Oh!
I can't get off of him!
Who's driving this thing? You're going down, buddy! Whoa! Hang on, Hoko! Oh no! We have made 3 trips to the grocery store to get provisions. It's a 1-hour trip each time, packing our stuff in our backpacks. We made 1 trip to the local convenience store that's really close to get soda water, alcohol, like the liquids, really heavy stuff, so we didn't have to pack it that far. We made 1 trip to the hardware store. We are pretty much exhausted. It has been a long, long day getting ready to go. But tomorrow the winds are supposed to be in our favor to move on south a little bit further. It's supposed to be 15 to 20 knots out of the west and then rolling around to the northwest, which is perfect for where we want to get to. We have about 40 miles to go tomorrow. But we have really enjoyed our stay here. Santa Rosalia is an amazing, amazing place. We've been put at the fuel dock for the week because the marina is basically full and we have the reservation, but there's some people overbooked and blah, blah, blah. It is what it is. But they were kind enough to put us at the fuel dock because we're on a small enough boat we can fit and people can still get fuel. We've been here the whole time. It's been great. It's been easy. The staff's been very friendly. So since we're at the fuel dock, we've made really good friends with the fuel attendant. His name's Vidal. We've been chatting with him every day. You know, we give him some cold Coca-Cola every now and then. And he was kind enough today, because he knew we were leaving in the morning, he wouldn't see us again. He brought us some chocolates. Some butter toffee. Said thanks for being here. It was fun meeting you guys. Good luck on your trip. You know, we kind of made a little friendship, which is why we want to do this. This is the good parts of the cruising life. It's not always about the islands and the towns and the drinking and the parties and the festivities. That stuff's great, and the snorkeling, but it's about meeting locals and making a connection with them. And all it took was us just being friendly, saying hi, how are you, in our terrible Spanish. Yeah, it's just been a great little stay here in the marina at Santa Rosalia. But all things come to the end. We're pretty excited to get moving again. Even though we busted our butt today and we are actually exhausted. My knees hurt, Jessica's hips hurt. You know, each time we come back from the grocery store, it's basically 40-50 pound pack on your back. It's been amazing. So we're getting ready to go. We're gonna go to town, check out the festivities for Dia de Muertos.
Thank you all guys for joining.
I was not expecting to do this, but I'm more than happy to do it. In my younger days, I was probably like 32. There you go. So today we're going to learn about salsa. Is anybody familiar with salsa? Chips. Especially in Mexico, there's lots of salsa. There's salsa verde, salsa roja, salsa negra. There's all types of salsa. But what we're going to learn today is the dance salsa. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Okay. 1, 2, 3. And 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Back, stop, forward, forward, stop. Back, back, stop, forward, forward, stop. 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Back, back, stop, forward, forward, stop.
Una foto.
That's neutral.
Get in the boat.
Huh?
Get in the boat.
They're not neutral forward, I mean. Should have a boat hook them.
Scared?
Not yet. There we go, yeah, I got it. No, I don't.
Bye. Make the turn?
I'm gonna make it. I had to come back.
I just didn't know if I need to get the dinghy though.
Nope. And we're off again.
6:30 in the morning. We are on our way out of Santa Rosalia on to Punta Chavato. It's 30 miles in the southern direction. We should have a west wind. It should be rolling around to the northwest by the end of the day. It should be blowing 10 to 15. It's a good day for us to leave. It was easy getting off the dock with the dinghy. The wind was in our favor, so we really didn't have to do much. And goodbye, Santa Rosalia.
Kind of sad leaving Santa Rosalia. We didn't get to spend much time here when we had stopped on our way up the sea. So it was fun to spend this last week here during all of their celebrations. That just added to it. Got to meet some good cruisers, which we quickly became friends, and have just had an enjoyable time. The locals were really awesome. They just friendly and warm and happy that we're there and that they can share their home and their life with us. It's just fantastic. Just loved it. It's so pretty. And I mean, it's kind of big, but it feels to me like a small town. Everyone is still knows everybody and takes the time to say hi and chat a little bit. They're not just running around city life all the time. So that was something that we are drawn to a lot, coming from a small town ourselves. So you just feel at home pretty quickly. Yeah, it's just comfortable and friendly and warm, and I just love it. We're almost there. The wind's picked up a bit, but we haven't gained any speed, really. It's just made the sea state a little chaotic. We have our main up now to kind of stabilize the boat. It has a reef in it, 2 reefs. Got our second reef in it. That just helps with the motion more than anything. But it looks as if we get in there, it's gonna calm down a little bit. So here's to hoping we have a nice night's sleep. We have a few obstacles that we're watching before we come in this area. We have a small island spit right in the middle of the opening to the bay. You can go port side of it, left side of it, and be completely safe. And that's where most people go, but there is a channel that is deep enough to go through here. So we are watching out for the reef that lies on both sides of it. Watching our depth finder, making sure that we don't get any crazy readings, and heading in. It'll take 4 miles off our trip by doing this. And with the sun setting, we're kind of really wanting to get in there and settle before it goes down and we lose our light.